Hey, check this out. Today we're going to talk about the Astro AI high pressure electric air pump. Check it out. So it comes in this box for all of life's adventures. Okay, so once you pull it out of the box, you're going to see that it's in this bag. It's very convenient. It's zippered. It's got 2 compartments. So inside the storage bag, we'll find the electric pump, the extension tube, a battery clamp converter, variety of nozzles, manual, and a thank you note. The power cord is located conveniently inside the storage compartment. Here's a handle, and these are the buttons to operate the electric pump. Here's your minus, your plus, your power, and over here you have your LED button. This is your unit button, and this one is your mode button. So now I'm going to connect the electric cord to the cigarette lighter, like so. Connect the extension tube onto the inflation port. Then I'm going to set it to the desired PSI and mode. You hit the power button to start inflation, and it will shut off automatically, or you can do it manually. You can inflate or deflate your product. It also comes with LED lights for nighttime use. Well, it's pool time. Or maybe you need it to inflate your yoga ball and do exercise. Who knows, maybe you're exploring and going camping in the wilderness and you need to inflate the mattress so that your little ones can sleep. The point is, wherever you want to go on an adventure, you want your companion. Astro AI Air Pump.